Auscultate subclavicle, okay? Right here. Actually, there should be a picture in your books. Can you find that picture in your book where we're going to auscultate? Is it under, is it pharmacology or is it at the end? I think it's at the end.
No, I think it was in pharmacology.
Oh, here we go. Oh, shit.
I'm sure it was in pharmacology.
Is it? Okay, you look in pharmacology and I'll look here.
It was either pharmacology or the one right behind it, because that's where I fell asleep.
Portable section. Okay, here's your decap auscultate. It should be right here, patient care.
Oh, I remember seeing the picture. And it shows.
Yeah, it shows the places. Okay, I'll let you keep going and look for it because vital signs. I know it has pictures somewhere on pulse ox or glucose activated charcoal EpiPens. Okay. Oh, right here.
Where are you looking?
Oh, okay. These
Right
are,
here.
the other ones
These are
just
actual
have a
pictures.
diagram with.
Yeah, find the diagrams. There it is there.
8 or 9.
Okay, so guys, I'll show you where we will do anterior, okay, first. If it's available, you will do posterior. So if it's just an asthmatic patient, he's leaning forward, he's wheezing, you're going to do anterior and then you're going to do posterior. If it's someone with C-spine, we're not going to stop in the lateral just to auscultate. You'll just do anterior, okay? What you're listening for is gurgling and crackling sounds and wheezing. So gurgling, crackling, and wheezing sounds, okay? What you should hear is this. Air entry. That's all you should hear. Air entry. Okay? Be polite.
Here it is.
I'm going to undress you.
171.
Darn, eh? Okay, nice deep breath. Okay, sounds good. Okay, another one. Okay, now you're going to do these ones right here. Okay, another one. Okay, another one. Nice deep breath. Sounds good. Okay, now right here, lower ribs. Okay. Okay. Okay, good. Lean forward. Okay, 6 more. One more time.
So do you have to do both sides in your rapid body survey?
Okay, one more.
That doesn't seem so rapid.
Okay, sounds good. You can actually hear better posterior than you can. Okay,
But like, I don't want somebody that's saying like supine.
really good.
And I'm in my rapid body.
Okay, again.
Do 6 on the front, roll them, do 6 on the back, roll them back around.
Good.
I think
Okay,
it said
last
mentioned something about that.
Available.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think.
Awesome.
But
And
if
last
not,
It's
I
not
can
so
ju- I can just
rapid.
do the front and then go, or do
No,
I-
it's not. Honestly, it's not that
Sounds
rapid.
good.
You're rapid.
Okay,
body
so
survey.
you're on
6,
timeline.
all clear.
Not
Sounds
really.
great.
It's like 2 minutes.
That's all you're going to hear. But you guys are going to have to be
You're
quiet,
actually
right?
you make the
And
decision
allow
afterwards.
each other to hear that.
make the
Otherwise, you
decision,
won't hear
like, after
anything.
primary
So you
survey.
guys do this when you get to the chest. You do
Still
ticks.
make the decision
Looking.
after
Secondary or
RTC.
primary?
Both.
Still make the decision after your
Okay?
primary.
Both now. Your RBS is just like your head to toe just about. Okay? So when you do the chest, and I'll show you, we'll go and do it on the floor. Right now you're just going to listen. Okay? When you do ticks, you're going to do tenderness, so you're going to feel tenderness. Okay? Instability, run your arm up and down the sternum. Okay, crepitus, tell them take a nice deep breath. See if you can feel any crepitus. And subcutaneous emphysema. As I'm doing that, I would probably ask my partner, who's fully trained, to auscultate. And he will auscultate. 6 and 6, if it's available. Okay? That's what you're doing? So most people do.
So now just kind of reading through this, so like, on our last one, we did our RBS with our circulation before.
It's
E.
there too, it just didn't fit all there.
That's what I was just asking,
Yeah.
is it still, we do that
Yes.
before the dangerous bleeds? and
Yes,
everything?
yes. Okay, just we didn't have
So
room.
now, this is stationary dependent, like whether it's conscious or unconscious, right?
Yes.
So for ticks and things like that, I mean, how are you gonna tell if it's tender? Like, what if they don't?
Tender?
What if they don't respond to like painful stimuli? Then you just
Then you
not
just
available
don't,
or
but
hanging
most of the
around?
time, or a lot of the time, they may moan, Their eyes might flicker open, right? They might grimace, they make a shrieking sound.
So then,
So that would be, you know, it's tender, obviously. If I'm doing that, it's gonna be tender,
so
right?
then, but like say he's supine, do you do the front, have your partner roll and do the back?
No,
or
we
the
don't auscultate the
No,
back,
it's
no.
just the front?
Just the
Okay.
front. We only do the back if it's available.
Okay. So
Okay?
that would be like a walk-in kind of thing, or a conscious?
Conscious, yeah, you get
Conscious,
called to an asthmatic patient.
Yeah.
Okay, you get called to someone who's just fainted, is sitting down.
Which word?
Yeah.
Okay, that would be,
Okay.
it's available, right?
Sure.
Okay, so here's some stethoscopes. Come and get your